Top 5 rape songs out right now.
Since I came out the swamp, Miss TPA and the Birkins are crops. Cripple pussy nigga down to his socks. Pulling up rock star, kicking non-stop. I'm one these bitches is.
I'm a brick flipping, Jack D sipping. Take a little toke and I roll the smoke. Let's go, cow tipping, hunting and a fishing, shooting at some can.
Lay back, shit, club, no 24s. Rims cracked, I'm like, fuck it, I'll buy some more. I'm addicted to riches, I love the dough. Feel like I'm doing too much. If I gave you all my love, it don't feel like we doing too much. Would it make you happy? It don't feel like we doing too much.
The hills, I lived overseas. My brain grows in numbers you'll never believe. It's a billion on the streams. Hop in the booth, I advance on the beat. Bitches a rap like lettuce and cheese. Why would I fuck the nigga that stands over me? I do what you niggas do with my hands on my knees. This shit too easy. I'm in the club with a G.
Top 5 rape songs out right now by niggers.
We are Charlie Kirk. We carry the flame. We'll fight for. I'm a brick flipping, Jack D sipping. Take a little toke and I roll the smoke. Let's go, cow tipping, hunting and a fishing, shooting at some cans.
When I was three, I chopped down my first tree. When I was four,
Hey, man, camo and chrome. I done turned them gravel roads into gold. Locally hated in my city, locally known. I'ma stand on all business 10 toes. Hey,
My bad. I forgot you were fragile. I forgot someone who doesn't even know me told you I'm an asshole. I forgot that I'm a villain. I forgot that I've always spread positivity, but you think I didn't. I forgot that hatred stems from people who hate their own existence. I forgot I'm better off alone. I forgot I care.
Top 5 rape songs that came out this year by niggers.
People ask me how I do it. I just bite off more than I can chew. Then I chew it. Yeah, y'all jokers thought I blew it. I pulled the pin out the grenade on purpose when I threw it. And
I'm a brick flipping, Jack D sipping. Take a little toke and I roll the smoke. Let's go, cow tipping, hunting and a fishing, shooting at some cans.
I'm not bipolar, but I feel an imbalance inside me chemically. Up, down, got my emotions and I feel incredibly sick. But I'm also the remedy clicks. While they're promoting anything, I think this weight on my chest is anxiety. Or maybe I'm tired of dealing with them.
you can hear me coming down the block before I turn. Too damn high, catch a plot from all the birds. If I break down, I fix it, I ain't worried. Country boy, state of mind, boy, my ride so dirty. Boy, my ride
I'm
so
over
dirty.
40 riding forges. And if you're happy and you know it, let me hear.
let me hear.
If you're happy and you know it, drink a beer. If you're happy and you know it, drink a beer. Get your country on a show, it sounds pretty good, don't it? If you're happy and you know it, drink a beer.
Top 5 rape songs that will never get old.
Tellin' on a new shit, new wheel, new kick, new desert nigga lot, loaded damn full clip, new chick, bad as a motherfucker, no shit, only thing I ain't still hang with the same clip.
Bitch, I'm from the south side, I'm redneck and red eyes. Hey, feel like a monster in this bitch. My head bobbing in this bitch. I'm getting nauseous in this bitch. Hey, my
Baby shark do 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 do. I pop the perk and pop the blue. I get geek like a custom too. Say the rap, bro, we can smack out. Pull up clean in my white tee, rolling off 100.
This is how the story goes. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it snows, I skated and they froze. I don't know nothing but no ice, I'm just cold.
Bend in a road till it break on a fool. Break a fool off, keep a shed full of tools. Leg full of loose screws, big nuts too. Got a lock wash shirt on the neck of your crew. If I tighten it down, I'll fly for a while. Now I pick it back up, now that shit's fine. Big bank roll lock, you don't even know. Shawty, where you wanna go? On a jet plane down Fair One, St. John, that's a
Top 5 rape songs we are all listening to right now.
And all they bitches can tell, nigger. I'm calling my ops, nigger. They better not play with me, nigger. I sleep with the
We posted up at Diddy's house, man, I was giving brain. There's a lot of niggas I fucked and shit, but I can't say they name. Fucking niggas so good that they wanna run a train. But he gon' do the job for me because I...
This ain't a race, but I still take first place. Take your man just to shove it in your face. My name not Lightning, but I still am a queen. I go to Panda.
I suck this cock in Poland. I suck this cock, it's swollen.
Got that semen in my eyes,
I took dick in my ass today. Both them dicks will do the job and I just hope my ass will gay. I was in and out of state cause I had some ass to rape. I sucked a dick but that's aight cause being gay, that's the way. Fuck tomorrow, suck the cock, just know we spread an ass today. Call EBT, he spread the G.
Top 5 rape songs we are playing all winter.
Well, what if I was Jack the Ripper? Meet you in an alley just to kill ya. Taking my time, pull out my knife, put it in your spine.
Put you in the matrix, baby. What's your flavor, red or blue? Now let her have one, I'ma take 6. So I keep it with a full clip. I ain't gon' slip, hang on like a box strip. Never said trip, let's trip, kick in on a come on.
Man, boy, I got some brand new blues. 100 so crisp, 100 so smooth. I'ma blow a couple hundred on a brand new tune. Got a brand new Glock with a brand new boom. Brand new whip slide through.
I was grabbing drinks with a rapper, I don't name dropping shit, but I could've had all of his fans if I stayed on that shit. I could've freestyled more, I could've been conscious instead, but I could see it on his face, there ain't no passion in it left. And I realized how could there be passion or excitement about the
devil on my shoulder, I see ghosts around me. Born a sinner through sinister, what you know about it? 2011, I was close to drowning. All those close encounters with the police, posting bounties, told I go to county. What you know about it? What you know about it? 1996, I was born and bred up in the mode drama.
Top 5 rape songs your coworkers will love.
Because I gave you too many chances to understand that pain sounds different when it's coming from a man. We not allowed to feel, be real, explain, express.
Haters wanna see me slain. I'm just trying to make a payment for my babies, baby. 80s, baby, know I'm shady. Pull up in the hoop to ride, pulling up in your Mercedes. Crunch time, do it.
I'm blessed, praise God. I made it out of the struggle, I'm going hard. I beat the odds, they counted me out. I got it up out of the mud.
Fixes, I reel them in like I'm fishing. Got a roster full of dimes, I let them keep all the pennies. Bitches showing they titties, every show in every city. I need me a bitch like Glow that could come and show me the business.
Instant our flag on fire, no voter ID required. They want war, they don't want peace. They want defund the police. They want you surrounded by screens. The devil lives in California. He a politician. He passing bills that bring chaos and division. Yeah, the devil lives in California.
Top 5 niggas Eminem is scared to diss.
Selling on no shit, no wheel, no kick, no desert nigga lot, loaded down full clip, no tick, bad as a motherfucker, no shit. Only thing I ain't still hang with the same.
Get the fuck over it. Nobody gives a shit, and no one wants to hear you fucking cry, cry, cry. So fucking suck it up.
Business, dividends and percentage. Just give me my commas and digits. I just need a million. I just need to run up a ticket. Been broke for too long, pinching pennies. I'm bound to go get it. Swear I'm addicted to winning. Hundreds and fifties and 20s.
Hey, 2025, I know city on your mind. Like, woke up in bed with a Barbie. Took my car that she bought Versace. Went beachside and she stopped responding. Ain't get a name, call her Margot Robbie.
Gone but I be back. Out on the road, gotta get my bread up. See the bro me, I squeeze it. Bury that beast in the deep by the oak tree, 6 feet deep. He collapsed. Came from the dirt and I did that work. Trial I stand and my brothers know. Move in silence, stick to the code. One hand on the Bible, one on.
Top 5 niggas Kendrick Lamar is scared to diss.
Selling on a new shit, no wheel, no kick, no desert nigga lot, loaded down full clip, no tick, bad as a motherfucker, no shit. Only thing I ain't still hang with the same. How long? 30 mil last when the shit say smoke glass drop past, fuck a phone, Berlin, get your ride in the test and I take your chain. I'ma pick a dope up while you bleed us sing. Better run for me, here I come 2, 3. That's a foul line, dog, sucker, yo. Too much on my mind now. I just wanna wild out, Jambo in this bitch outlaw, pow pow. Engine in me bloodline, legendary lifestyle. Living on that, struggling to pay the rent. Child support for a couple kids. Love my kids, I handle biz, and my baby mama gon' love this shit. Told the judge I was on drugs and laughed about it with an evil grin. I told the judge if we the drug, he can rock me up, cause I do. And when I speak soft, marijuana reek from my lungs. When I cough in, almost lost 10 through the struggle and the pain. Put the 9 to my brain, hammer clicked, then I came up. What the fuck? Blow blunts, pull stunts to my soul. Hurt hand busting bloody from me working. I been so.
Top 5 niggas out right now.
Boy, I'm about to be.
And then I roll till it break on a fool. Break a fool off, keep a shed full of tools. Lead full of loose screws, big nuts too. Got a lock watch shirt on the neck of your crew. If I tighten it down,
My bank account already full, I counted 7 digits like.
Y'all attack me with disses, attract all the critics. I'll laugh at predictions, surpass all the limits. The whacker, the rapper, the more he's anchored by the fact that I'm winning. I'm stacking the.
I'm a square toe stepper, big chain flexer. Body and beats, boy, I swear that I'm better. I've been on the move with my crew and my niggas like Shredder. We all been told never met us. All of my dogs tryna stay out the kennel, so we move in silence and silence suppression.
Never again will I fall for your lies. Never again will I cry, be so shy. Never again will I look in your eyes.
started throwing it back. I'm about all of the features, but I take a liking to ass. I don't even go out of the house no more. I get it right where I'm at. They say, Chandler, I'm loving this new shit, but I cannot shake it to that. Here you go. Don't let me down. I'm trying to...
Top 5 niggas taking over this summer.
2025 brand new. Got a brand new bitch with some brand new booze. I'm the same old me in the same old boots, but I'ma hit it like your boy found a brand new move.
Shit go down, hope you working on your fitness. Cause I be putting work in, about to get the business. Stamina endless, got my boys with it. Take it to the woods, hands. No way in hell will I ever back down. You don't know me, you don't know what I'm about. I came from the bottom, hillbilly backwoods. You don't want no problems.
Keep on trying me, feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Anxiety, shake it off of me. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety.
Hey, 2025, I know city on your mind. Like, woke up in bed with a Barbie. Took my car and she bought Versace. Went beachside and she stopped responding. Ain't get a name called